Eight strategies to stay motivated and pass in your exam. Believe in yourself. First one. I want everyone to think why you joined this course. And now in your head, there may be five or six reasons. But one reason is you passed your exams and became a CA. I know friends who said, I'm scared of writing this attend and got exemption. And also a friend who told his mom that he's scared to write and got all in their rank. The one thing which is there in your control, which is most important, is controlling your mind with positive thinking and your preparation. Point two, stay focused. When you sit and study, the most important thing is to stay focused. That's when you can complete your revision with efficiency. So I suggest a place where there are no distractions like phone, loud music. And a lot of studies have proved that having a clean environment helps you stay focused. So I request an organized study space free from distractions. I encourage everybody to I encourage everybody to set daily goals. This helps drastically in maintaining their focus. Point three, efficient time management. It's important for you to know yesterday itself, morning, which subject chapter you're gonna complete, afternoon and night, which subject and chapter you're gonna complete. This will change person to person because few people study theory and few used to study uh, at night. It depends on which way you are going to study. I want you guys to decide which portions you will be studying and what time. I want you to have a time block studies where 6 to 9 if you study, take a break of 15 minutes at least to start studying. So this time block studying helps you in taking breaks, which is very important for you, your mind to relax. One of the best time management technique, which is Pomodoro technique. This helps in not only in productivity, efficiency, but especially to sit and start studying, which works like a gem. So if you want to know what is Pomodoro technique, will comment down below. I will make a video of that. Fourth one, practice regularly. I want you guys to practice questions because this is essential for retaining provisions concepts. Now, those who practice have a great confidence level during exams due to the fact that you get a sense of exam format. I'm reminding you once again, daily practice builds confidence, so there should be consistency in it. Fifth point, healthy lifestyle. Your mental and physical state should be maintained with exercise, meditation, and home food. Sleep is a very good important factor to be thoughtful of due to the fact that it helps in memory retention. I went to a doctor for this fact that I want to have a better and a deeper sleep. And this is what a doctor told me. 3 to 1 method of sleeping. 3 hours before sleep, don't eat anything. 2 hours before sleep, don't drink anything. I'm not saying don't drink coffee. I'm also saying don't drink a glass of water too. 1 hour before sleep, don't use any mobile or laptop devices. So 3 hours before sleep, don't eat. 2 hours before sleep, don't drink. And 1 hour before sleep, don't use any mobile devices. This technique helps me a lot in getting deeper sleep. Sixth point, for positive affirmations. I want you guys to talk to yourself the concept of self-talk. This helped me a lot in boosting self-confidence to a very greater extent. So I hope this will help yours too. I want you guys to keep repeating this affirmation every single day. You will thank me later after exam. Next is seventh point, stay calm. Your strategy and positive thinking helps you stay calm with helps you in manage your anxiety. For staying calm and pressure, I recommend deep breathing, or else if you are able to do meditation, do that as well. Have a clear, so that if you have a clean mind, you can perform better. Next is visualize success. Let's say before visualizing success, I want you guys to visualize that you're going to your examination hall and you are able to write properly your answers with confidence. This is the visualization I want. The first visualization. The second one is imagine the day you are opening your your result, and you're clicking enter, and it's mentioning you have passed. How beautiful it will look. Okay. So then I want these are the 8 points. Now I want you guys to have the ninth point, which is very important, which is journaling. In case you have distractions, negative thought, I want you guys to just take a piece of paper and write and a pen and write it with what is the reason you have this less confidence or negative thought. Trust me, this helps in you, and okay, these are the things I have to figure it out. You will figure it out. So this will help you in this will help in positive mental image into a big reality of the fact that you will clear the exam. Trust me. And in case for more such videos, do subscribe. Thank you.